Well, we did a radio show for Monday. It was fabulous, stupendous. I don't remember it. Let's relive some of these magic moments. And maybe at the end of today's webisode, I'll explain these scars.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, in every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it.
Like this is better. This is Darth Vader doing it.
Be happy.
It's days like this, I wish I owned a car wash.
Time. That's the way to go. I'd be sleeping, call up and go, everything okay? Yeah, we're washing cars. Okay, I'm going back to sleep. I'm rich. Somebody check. Do I need to come down and do anything? Nope, you're fine. All right. Yeah, get another 500 gallons of Rain-X there.
And as always, I love making Chris Berg feel very uncomfortable.
Mr. Berg will be arriving in a moment. As soon as he finishes his morning crunches and his teeth whitening and his hairspray. Everyone knows it's Chris Berg. And Chris, he has stars in his eyes. I like to eat pie. I am high on caffeine.
So, how did I get the scars on my face? Answer A, my wife beat the crap out of me with a rolling pin. Or answer B, our new pet cat scratched my face. Which one do you think? A or B? Or both? Could be. See you tomorrow morning on The Flag.
Something about you tears me inside out whenever you're around. There's something about you